Biko iwe welu unu. Iwe welu unu biko nu. Make on no verse. Iwe welu unu. That useless idiot anakpo voice call again. Mami hanakpo gakpo. I want you to come back here because I'm like you dealing with the people like you. You want to go and what am no problem. So like now I saw a lot of people shift from parts of fools. Those that believe what Ken we are saying then until Yeru Hanaka. I saw a lot of you all that opened page because Facebook on Akwa and you want to take that opportunity. Pick up a fight that I did you nothing. But one thing you should understand is that Ogechi is not afraid of no bagger. And I don't mingle with crowd. I speak my mind. I speak my mind. Regardless of who the truth will affect. I owe nobody any obligation. So all of you that are immigrated from palace of criminals, palace of doom, palace of criminals, that opened a page that every story you know about me, you carry it on your head. You know? Yes, I have omitted it. Sorry. Okay, I intentionally omitted it. I intentionally mute it. Sorry. So, now, all of you are Mepego page. And you have decided to start with Ogechi. I don't have time. I want to hear now about some of you. I want to denga talk among a walk a Facebook or do that. But then when in Gamtro Kiru. So when you watch a channel and Kegiabian on my own. When you watch a channel because the kind of information about you is too damaging, which I will never let you be. Agama dogagiko ke borianoge. See, when you look for my trouble, I don't let go. I write it somewhere to wait for you. One thing about me, I like saga. Saga is part of me. And I like a trouble. I'm not afraid. I always stand my fear. You want to go? It's been a long time. And when him Nigeria, the so-called Akwa declared unwanted. So now I wanted to go and for my this him to Igame in Nigeria. Now it's time to go to Nigeria. Now I'm gonna visit Nigeria. For those of them say that you cannot travel because they declare I wanted, no problem. Akwa very dark man, I may not arrest how many times. So how long will I say I'm not gonna go to Nigeria? Say you no go arrest me. I always stand to defend. I only stand to fix my fears. You want to go? So when I'm doing when I get that way because you're saying it. Nobody tells me what to do. It's the right time. I would like to go. Then I will fix it. Nobody ever tells me what to fucking do. You want to go? Now, Jpac. There are many challenges that is out there. It's not only this one. Oh. This one is number one. I have spoken to my doctor. We are going to conduct this test in front of everyone. You cannot go and sneak in with one doctor. No. I will bring my doctor. You will bring your doctor. And we're going to conduct this test in the presence of all our followers. Because now I'm going to go talk of the town. You want to go? Now this blue app, you know, like Ogechi art movie. Doctor Anrongono. And anything. Make it a exam. Because when you like a hide. I just want you to know that I accepted the challenge. Now, there is another thing. You have to tell me who gave you my father's picture. Because as I'm paying you the challenge, sorry, I'm paying you the damages in case Magiwi, then as you're also paying me the damages in case my win, we are also tackling cases that brought us on this particular problem. I just want you to get me straight. And this one accept. I did not dispute that. But at the same time, you have to also accept the packages that comes with it. Number one, first and foremost, I need to sue that person that gave you my daddy's picture at his vulnerable stage. When there is nobody to take that picture. I want the person, you know, get that picture because I need to sue the person in America. Because I need to be making money too from here. So it's not only you or me that the thing will benefit. So I want you to get my offer straight. This one accept though. Don't get me twisted. Now, he got that person who violated HIPAA law and went to where my father is laying a state at his vulnerable stage. You took a picture. Mockery and my father in all platform today just because of you. You posted that thing. Palace of Foods copied it. And Palace of Foods gave it to every useless platform that their generation can never be a professor. Now, you have to. That's another one. Now, there is another challenge. Because everything that brought out this saga have to come in package. You cannot tell me I will take one off and leave the rest. Because something brought this recent one. I will hear my problem with you. This is not my problem with you. We have to start from where our problem started. Now, secondly, that person or you prove a video where I told you that and also you have to bring that person that told you my father raped me. They will put the video with the place that I stated it that my father raped me. And also nampam promono. Did you get me? Because this is the accumulated anger that brought this recent problem. I have accepted this one with my coaches. Because Anshana thought ewepu awo. Hana thought ewepu awo. Did you hear me? Because number one, I may not do trauma at the source of that person. Because when I filed that into states, the state said they need somebody that released the picture and who took the picture, that they cannot prosecute all the hospital. That was when me and my husband filed the that thing online. They told us that they cannot prosecute everybody. There's a lot of people that attended to my father when my father was in that COVID hospital. That they don't know who is who. That I should get the blogger to provide where the source of the picture came out from. That was why we could not forge ahead with that case. Did you hear what I'm saying? The Florida board, because my father died in Florida hospital. Now Florida, he gave put that particular person near that picture. So I just want to clear our stand. You cannot accept one challenge and run away from others. There are many things that come with this. There are some provocative things that brought this particular one in Achida Save Wegina. There are the things that also hurting me that brought out the particular one. One, he gave provide a ben again my father raped me. Two, he gave provide a ben again my father garanga. Three, he gave provide a ben put on social media what people that my father raped purumu. Three, he get provide pay my father no bomono. That's your ex-convict friend in a GMA program all the time. All of you. You want to go? So all these idiots, I know, not because of Chacha, I know where it came out from. I know who posted it first. Jpac posted it. Let him swear with go and swear with if you are not the person who even you came to inbox to apologize to me, that apology is not accepted. I never told you that I accepted it. So anybody that will accuse Chacha will die a sudden death. Because I saw where the post came out from. Even you, the only reason that I did not save that video, you conducted that period. You said, now somebody, none at the hospital sent the he was running that video that I was like this listening to you. I know nothing about you. You posted it, you sent it to Ken, because you was using Ken to fight me for no reason I don't know. I'll show you who is crying, be strong. You won't yara. Get on and we cry. Get on and we cry. Are you mad? Mage one animal. Martin. Namuruge one animal. Namuruge one animal. That is why you are in the platform where you are already an animal. You animal. Namuruge one animal. Namuruge one animal. In colleague, one animal. You want to go? anything that get back to you is an animal. So all those things, I didn't mention this one. You provide that person that took my father's picture. For those of you that think who changed your Jpac, as far as I live, peace again when I blew up with the day. I will never let you have peace. I will drag you onto your early grave. I got my happy. Also, like you go and pay all these touts and about content creators. All these useless people and about content creators. Sorry, we will. If you like this useless Ebonilo song, that hopeless thing, if you like, go give them all 500,000. I know they see them until I destroy you. Until I destroy you again. Yes. Until I make the gihe, I will never leave you. Yes. Who gave you my father's picture? Get put a post online. Who gave you for you to use? Not even that you posted it. You use it and ran a program. You use it and ran a program, mocking my father. And when all manner of things he put on, from there, from there, every platform I brew my daddy. Now, okay, today, you have not come out on social media to make public apology. An idiots, like all of you, me people you don't know mock your father at his dying age. My people mock Nenu at the dying point. No program. Who is this? Come on, sing our voice. Come on, get the fuck. Come on, sing our voice. Come on, whatever this just less than voice. Come on, fuck off. You want to go? So I am ready for your challenge. You have to give me those information that are required. Ige provide where Ogechi states, because Ogechi want to read this information. Ige provide where Ngwarake that now my father raped me. Ige onya Ngwarake yani, you provide it. Because all these things came out from you. That day you was running program. You was the first person that said it in your video. You was the first person that said all these things. I begin to wonder. Onuji, all my videos. But the one I said it, you guys don't have it. You want to go? So, I say all this. Who is all these people? Oh yeah. Barakuna Shinga. So get out. This is not a platform for a show. You have to provide all of them. This one, this challenge, Ogechi, I've taken it all. I've taken it. Because I'm going to edge scatter to lage. That one is no talk. I'm going to edge the arm to lage, which is I'm aware. That one is not, I'm not afraid to accept it. But, Ige Bugo do so. Begodi Bitogodi, everybody should pay up you. You want to go? Ige Bito. What brought out these problems? Now, very well, my family member. No, but again, you have to provide that person. And I believe that not the same person will put in my daddy's picture. I believe totally that's the same because it came out of your mouth. Now my father raped me. Now my father jikwara bomono. Now I'm gonna get to my father. Now I'm not my father. All these things that you have labeled and said. That you brought out my father's picture. Jiabamu war. That video. I know I saved it, but on my other phone. But luckily, this particular phone can save without your picture. That picture, I made sure that I screenshotted it from your platform. Because for it to carry on. So any person, Gabia, would die a sudden death. What I go? So all these things is all comes with the package of everything I'm telling you. Yapam itegi lari. Yapam otulagi lari. I still maintain my stand. This is tomorrow. So all this pasamaga, I accepted your challenge. I gave me in front of everybody, and by then you have already provided everything I asked for. So you win, Yemu. If you win me, I'll pay you your any amount because I'm Nini Driego. And the winner you pay me every amount. By then, I will look for those people that took my father's picture in America, right? Me Susie here. That and those people bragging my father rape. Mirim, Namchana my father, my father accused the law. You will get all those evidence. So my life finding the line easy. What I go? You cannot just say, you're not gonna talk about this. Now lie yo. We will continue to iron this. Now, I saw that useless Ebony lost son. I saw that bleaching cream Ebony lost foolish son. I saw your video. You were saying, why am I mentioning every dead body? Because that's anyway, let me play your video. There is no need of talking much. I want everybody to listen to your video. That useless Akwa, that imbecile, because you were useless. When they you are just hopeless as your face look like. It is hopeless. People to program on all waste of my time. Because this one is anybody would why won't take you are just a hopeless idiot. And when time okay? You want to go? I don't have enough time. But I have my reason of targeting this Ebony lost son. You are just an old fool who apparent uncle. Emma Hine made the confused. It may be a bit. Your destiny just you. He began a Sweden, Gariburu, Gageba, Ego Facebook. I'm not on Facebook and so anything I say, I stand by it. One time for you, Akwa, you was a member of Palace of Fools. Ebony lost son, a member of Palace of Fools. Jpac, all of you, she from there. So anything you guys are saying are useless. I don't know. I owe you guys know. Let me tell all of you who work mini. Makoma tell me Akwa me Ebony lost all of you, all these charge and bear blockers. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time. When I'm just going stand still. Because you guys are weak men. On cap or ex-convicts. Or that idiot, that old Boroko. Die -1. That useless idiot that is in the group where about patron official our women nude. I thought he's a justice fighter. I thought he's somebody who wants to come and rule. What is he doing in a group where he's a patron, where our ladies have been questioned back? Are they the people that are expected to support me? I cannot be in a group with such people. They are dirty. They are filthy. They are condemned. Ex-convict is a condemned product. I'm commenting. Ex-convict. I am coming to Nigeria. You see why I announced it for you guys not say no get your number because I go patano budapuru gym. The patron of where women nude are being shared. You are the people to satisfy your sexual urge. Why are you deforming our women that way? You are in the group. You're commenting and calling on a hair leader, sir. On a hair leader that patronizing women. If I lie, I'm going to make evidence. I don't just talk. You are the architects. Governor idiot, a woman defeated. What are you doing in the headquarters of a man who is busy sharing our women nude to come now? Share our women nude to come now. You're doing this, you're doing this. You are the headquarter. But I'm a program on a baba. Can you not share auto muanyani? Can you not on a head leader of auto? Have you ever sat down or sit down and investigated this case or talk about it? No. Ebi na derive joy. Ebi na were otu mkpụrụ anya na ele igbu ụmụ nwanyị. Ebo ashawo kpụrụ go to anya. Ge were otu anya na ele ya. Ma gio, ma Jpac, my Ebony Lost Son, all of you won't happy am. Because you guys are useless. You cannot go and fight for our Igbo girls. We are trafficking through technology. You will not do that. I get you. I get you. I'll do you this. Ex-convict, you are an ex-convict. I can home Nigeria. I'm gonna make everybody prepare your petition. And I'm not advice. Give you an American embassy. Excuse me. I'm not advice to go to American embassy and put your petition. On your record on the petition. On your record on the petition. A useless, hopeless man like you on a petition. An escort. Do you have any reputation? Idiots. Hopeless idiots. Idiots. Someone is I'm going to get down on my group. When I sneeze, everywhere begin to shake. When I do, everywhere they shake. Why are you guys panicking? What? Oh, when you're in my case, who invited you in my case? Or the kankana or ago hopeless Igbo men. Look at them. Igbo men in Paruru, somewhere hustling on social media now. Look at that. Atono nyashinolu. Imana moke mabrakaba abrakata bakemure bad. Abrakata bakemure bad. Our brakata your entire generation. Idiots. Look at them. Ten kobo 1 naira. And you guys are gathering for who? Gathering for who? Me. Gathering for ye. Gathering for ye mwanya chero subunu. Who are you guys gathering for? Mwa. You guys better think again. You guys better think again. Idiot. Aruni nene buying. Umwayana force ne rape. How many justice have you gotten for them? How many of you guys gotten justice for Ogechi? Ogechi that did not allow idiots like you to intimidate. Ogechi that did not allow to be subjected to incompetent useless, incompetent men. Hopeless ones for that matter. Because I did not allow you guys to run me, to room me, to tell me, to dictate for me what to do. Bala. Is this? Who are you to be calling me on live? Who is the fuck is this? Anyway, who is it? Who is it? Huh? Who are you? Why are you calling me on live video? On live video on WhatsApp? Huh? Let me even block you. I get the fuck out. That is why all these prostitutes, have very, very easy. Because give up on a live video, married women so easily. They allow you guys to be calling them on live video. Now, Ebony Lost Son. Let me play your video, then I will answer your question. That is why you guys are so hopeless. Now let me play Ebony Lost Son. Ebony Bleaching Lost Son. Look at them. Koyeri. I got you, man. I got you. Let me come play your video. I want to see your rubbish.
Against me that a full-fledged man that has something in between his two legs dangling. But I may believe in Ogechi that can answer. Yes, you are right. Even a mother, she go on 1 month. Go after me 1 month. But you may believe Ogechi Jaga. Go so you ma equal arm ought.
Ebony Lost Son. Onya pota no ya na chaye believe wo. A useless Igbo man. All he does is to rob bleaching. All he does is to useless himself. Who is calling me? All he does is to sit down, go to a bar, Do you know that a man that bleach is useless? Man no katan no, a full legit human being chineke ye do na ekegi, a tout, aboro. A man who came out on social media and accused all Anambra.
Oh, yes,
Jared, just cool her down. A useless man who came out on blew up without minding the consequences. My entire Anambra people. You opened your wide, useless mouth and accuse us that I knew murderers. That I knew all parts of our family body. That I mother go. That I never money and pan. You opened your worthless mouth and a full Igbo legend and a full Igbo, complete Igbo man and woman will sit down and listen to you and follow you. You, the Anambra that is the engine of the whole world. I will not, because Igbo and Anambra, they leave fingerprints. You opened your useless, rubbish, bleaching, worthless, hopeless life. The most poorest idiot that came out from the ghetto. If it's not Facebook, will you talk when other people are talking? If it's not Facebook, do you have any degree? Do you have any qualifications? What will even warrant anybody to associate with a raggedy piece of garbage like you? If I may ask you, in what category will you belong in Igbo land? If it's not Facebook that is paying you and putting food on your top, look at your previous where you lived. Look at where you came out from. The good be shiripota. In gutter. You were fed in gutter. You were bred and brought up in gutter. Because of opportunity, Facebook will give idiots like you. You had the audacity to talk where I'm talking. An idiot, Facebook will shut all down on now. That I need to target 100,000. Yana worry ko call here. Emigam ambassador. Who is signing you more than 100,000? Number one, I get to lay your qualifications. You don't have any qualifications. Say anything in your gas one rainbow clothes. Puta. Look at your life. Actually, when I talk, you Asomrolan is supposed to be using your clothes to clean it. If it's not Facebook, all of your useless idiots like you cannot stand where I stand to talk. Look at that tunnel like you. Jpac gave you 500,000. You had the audacity to come out. Maybe to Facebook or Potago here make one noise. If it's not on Facebook, who the fuck are you? You used to be my follower. You used to be your mother follower. I will be naked at this blew up. You're nothing but a useless piece of shit. If Anambra took up that case then, or take up that case then, will you ever stand to talk rubbish you're talking? The same Anambra people who know are you not the same person that accused them from Igbo mother? Anambra people nebu mother. No, mother ni na una is no Anambra name. Anambra na go ego. Oh, you have forgotten your useless life. Ine wetere mo no. Why did you mention it here? Can't you use another terms? Ibunamu soroge no no. Ibunamu soroge from ebamunoge. Ibunamu. Are you not hopeless? Are you not useless, if I may ask? Let me hear you.
1.3 million followers. Engagement, even more myself.
I'm not this my page. You have been lamenting on it. Here I won't get first time. Every time you lament on it. You know this 1.1 million. Whether na robot or whether na person, don't allow it to intimidate you anymore. Don't whether na me engage you, man na me engage. Anahuma at go like you. You feed here, that's why engage they give you problem. You are here to eat. That is why engage is your priority na this blue app. Engagement is not my priority. Okay? If it's not Facebook rubbish, even I'm not only bruise or 1 million na this 1.5 million. If it's not Facebook that insulting me, who are you? Who the fuck are you? Every time page, no reaction. Whether they go with a reaction, because without reaction you can't feed. You know why I am so less concerned whether there is a reaction or not? Because I'm not feeding from this. I'm not Google boogie when Facebook reaction sees That is why idiots like you reported you went and edited that chat. You think we are morons? You think we are touts? You edited that chat and you posted it at our to Zion. You are a demon. You are a frustrated bitch. You are a demon. You are a demon. This is who you are. This is what you can do. Can play voice again. So people like you associate with Jpac. People will gather to listen to you because you're full of evil. Everything that you represent and present are evil. Now, let me play your voice note, what you plan to do. Somebody that didn't do anything to you. You guys came out with you and that one, a useless Uncle IB. Came out to do a damage control. Evil doers that cannot speak and say the truth. Bunch of evil doers. Manzurum followers, so man, go and buy. The reason is 1.3. It's millions. Eko whether Manzurum, may we can engage. It shouldn't be your concern. It is my own concern. Okay? All that page you say no, they get reaction. Now waiting they use now. Now waiting they use now. And whether you like it or not, you call them reaction, get reaction tomorrow. The one when no get reaction, get later get reaction tomorrow. On a way they feed from Facebook, now that one they bother on. My own is to have a page where I will use to destroy idiots like you. Okay? I get them school in Oboda. And when my license, I make money. I work. I am not disabled and useless like all of you. And I'm a raw Tomo. I don't say my nude to make money. I work. Even if I decide today not to, let me repeat it again. I will go to Army Barrack and leave. Stay there. And when the voucher, I just don't use it. I wish I was brought up in Army. I just don't use it. I live from life. So you can see, and when you came from one of the poorest and the poorest of, and when a class, you are classless. I don't have no business with you. And number one, you did not attend any school. It is too low in all ramifications. The only thing that feeding you is because of this content creating. Let Facebook shut all this rubbish on Akuna. Let me see all of you that will have mouth to talk. Look at the evil you can be able to portray. Ogechi Okeke, shut up. You used to be my followers and listen to me. And you will still listen to me. You will still hear from me. Because you don't have choice. You're one of the most hopeless things that this blew up. You are an evil. I've never seen anybody that fights bitterly. Everyone near one. If Patarakuana Zolo bitters nebukidin, getting a make a lot bitters and I patronize. Are you not the same idiot that wrote that Zolo bitters nebukidin? Get Cololo bitters name on a doe kidney. On a is it not the same bitters? Is it not the same fucking bitters? So now the same bitters is shame ebutazilla na libo. Kine one ambassador. Let me block this idiot. Oh yeah. Is it not the same? Kololo bitters. In a patronizer. You see why you are a devil. You see why Iwamusu. Nobody should even associate with you. You are a demon. Your heart is dark. It is too dark to anybody to associate with. You are a dark idiot. Now look at your record. Look at how damaged and demonic you are. I'm not evil like you. I am not bitter like you. You are a demon. I need you to go formula tashi. Go pom mado. Geji damage your reputation on mado. I give up to one mother. Oh, because people are stupid. Because so who don't know like sense here can never sit down or go to your page and even listen to what will come out of your mouth. You are a dirty piece of garbage. Man, let you walk in at the bleaching. Then susu may do now listening to you. Well, on Facebook, I want to dedicate Gane Sogi. You rally around people like you. Idiot, I got 100,000. Yana marry call here on the streets. You see, not the same Peters. It's not a kidney. This one, I'm able to kidney. You can't make kidney. Are you not an ambassador? So you are an ambassador where we destroy our people's kidney. Anambra bitters on a megini, on a doshi kidney. On a doshi kidney, if I may ask you, demon. On Ghana, they should start bringing all these bitters in Igbo. But I'm surprised that you are an ambassador. I'm surprised you are the one that are also patronizing the same demon. You said that you don't want it to see it in Igbo. Are you not a hypocritical amusu? Are you not a devil? Hopeless thing. So you open mouth and people will just come and listen to you. Demon like you. Don't worry, I'm digging out those videos in Makanda Anambra. So we start to look at you and I, who is worthy to be listened to. You want to go? Ghana brother, you are coming to defend the same Anambra you destroyed. The same Anambra you destroyed. And people start looking at Anambra. Really? So hana ebunne, so hana ebunna, so hana gogo. Look at. Look at the shit. National shinish. Amusu. Listen to yourself. You a demon. You will remain one. Cherry. Your video, what? Why are you worried about? Sorry, I may check on you send alarm that voice. Now, why are you worried about my own engagement? Whether I want 1 point something million, no. Whether I want 3 million, no. Whether I want 5 million, no. Why are you worried about it? Then I Jpac and follow fake content creator all these local scammers. Only fake saga. No engagement. Is it not why you guys fake saga? Only fake saga to get engagement. Can't you guys hear me now? Okay. Only fake saga each other. Only be on a plan saga. Now we want war to get engagement. Is it not what you guys do? So why is my own engagement to become your problem? Why are you so worried? Onuna fake saga be lying to some people. My own is real. Whether 1 billion, I'm a Jpac video jima about Anambra. Remind the Akwa ha. Jpac and engagement. How about that? How about that? Every engagement they pay you. Now engagement I have gotten it. What would you do? What are you going to do? Look at a demon like you can maduge sit down. Listen, Matu. A fool like you that will go and plan evil, put on a social media, just my game way engagement in the year going on, okay? Eh? You that will sit down and manipulate lies just to destroy somebody's reputation. So are you not an evil soul? Are you not a demon? You that will sit down with this your bleaching, destructive life. Jpac can make 500. I be planning to make 500,000. Are you not an idiot? Are you not a fool? That's about to can we joku. You know the conversation. Man can we joku because of our ego. Because from a poor background you are, from a thirsty background, from the hungry life you came out from. You don't want to go back there, so you can collect anything to feed. You useless idiot. Lost a bonny son. Eh? You that will go and make up a voice note, may a prophet that you know did you nothing. Plan evil for people to believe your evil acts. Are you not a demon? You are a replicant of a prince. Nobody should even follow you. If not that in the bani dinsusu, why would people associate with people like you? The kind of error you have committed, it deserves wrong. It deserves wrong. It deserves really chicken. You were among the people. You were among the people. Just that prophet Shehapoma. Any day, when you go ahead, you will be wasted like a nobody. Because all Shehapoma, all the too good. Actually make sure no you should be part of it. Come with that person. A very hopeless, lost idiot. Nobody should have ever have anything to do with you. You were a demon. You can do anything for money. You can sit down, plan evil. escalated evil to make sure because of the poor background you tested before. You don't want to go back there. So you will do anything to fetch money. Doshi. I don't want to go through Ebony because Mona and Ebony the number. Akram destroy Dikishibia, Pariandana Brabai. But everything I say is on your head. All family can Ebony in Sundanam Baroshi. Is it not your family everywhere? Oshi and then Swari Oshi. Or only your family. Ebony or Joe. Useless, hopeless idiots like you. And why would the legend waste to the Lakaridia? Delete Yagi na this surface. Ibahuru. Because every day you manipulate evil, you plan evil, you execute evil. That is who you are. You and when anything good that will ever come out of idiots like you. An idiot, you manipulated the chat and edited it. Did you wear comments? Did you wear reaction? This is not a your no report to page. Be aware those your useless children. Gali ikage. Those bastards you get back to. Be aware how do she. No I could report okay. Amusu. Evil. I don't even know how people stay. Or maybe people have forgotten. People will sit down and listen to you. Listen to you. People will sit down and even listen to you. You, that is a definition of evil. You, that is a definition of amusu. People will sit down and take word that will come out of you. What a pity. What a pity. Because when they women are, when they were Christian, when they women are, unuga hutuna wa ishinala. Ndala.
Now, all the people who get in Japan they mention that video on them will go down.
Of course. You mention one didn't do, I will mention and didn't do. Every own imagination. All of you guys are useless. You keep imagining. You keep imagining. Some who say joke because what will people imagine? I will not say it. Jpac, he told me. Everybody I mentioned names. Young one extra person. One extra person. So all these things now your own logic. Now your own reasoning. Now your own poor thinking. How to corner in here. That is your own. Give yourself that explanation. I have said the truth. Truth I stand. However you want to manipulate those idiots that want to listen to you, that's your business. That is your own cup of tea. What I was told is what I said. So you can also list their name. It's on your head. Everything he told me. Those that he told me their story is what I'm saying. In a you want me to lie? Because of your own poor reasoning, you want to deceive idiots like you. So they will start saying it. Jpac, he told me every word that came out of my mouth. Oh, because of people that I love so much. And I would like to omit it. But I can make him. For those of you that call me, people that I respect so much, people that I value so much, I have respected that. I will not, but I can make stand on my feet that Jpac or to not Jpac in a him mini. Till tomorrow. What I said, I stand by it. Nothing. Anybody can manipulate to change the truth. The truth I stand. The fact I stand. Even you useless Ebony lost bleaching son. You told people, yes. The guy get on a conference call. One of you called me, said, you agreed that Jpac will say things like that. Now you came out online. Because that thing you did was a detailed chat that I could never in this life reported your page. And you know it. Come and swear with those useless kids that came out of your womb. The mechanic of your wife's womb. That sperm, you know, they swear with their head. That thing you said is nothing but the truth. So you want me to come and start mentioning people that never mentioned to me? Because figure it, put your own narrative. That's your business. My brother. Yeah, thank you. Yes, you even agree. That day, unu were a meeting. Part of your guys sitting on that content conversation, you agree that Jpac will say it. You agreed that this lady, na Jpac, so why did you come out here to lie? Because you were a man. No truth comes out of you. No truth. Hello? I will put me a kembe. You want to go? No truth comes out of you. And when you now put on, you agreed on that conversation. Yes, na Jpac ge kuli ha. No no yana battery no one. So no man all ya. But no, just to come out. Because you know that you kuo ya. The content creator meeting no. Una is content creator no register will come after you. That why did you say it? That is why we're on because we are one rubbish organization. Jpac okpegu no ego ko okpege hunu. Is Jpac pricing or promising ego or not? Bia putaji nwa ge to ishi. Jpac or promising ki $500,000 or not. Other content creators as well. Gonna be puta be defend there. Your defending is dead and arrival. Ya go do also defend the gamash. I want to get into get borabo. E bom. E go and find place to rest. Let's listen to you.
Our brother let you find your back. Our brother let Chineduwa Dike. According to her, on Segi na if I ban go Chineduwa Dike into that was Jpac into. Although when they get one day and in the hand of Jpac and I people like Baby Oko. Because na Baby Oko na Jpac into. You
are the one adding them. Please. Is Baby Oko na Jpac into? Tell us. Because Jolan Meboni lost son. Baby Oko on a Jpac into. Because he did not mention those to me. Or balloon like this that on Baby Oko na Okuyantu. You let me know. For me, he didn't mention all these names. So Yawuruma, you have an idea of these ones you're mentioning their names. Bring it on. I said what I had. So you that are mentioning all these names that Jpac did not mention to me. Not Baziemu, Jpac went anywhere. Oh, but I did that. You let the world know. For me, HIV. So I said it. And one of the guy, which I don't want to be mentioning his name because of them. Everything so all these ones now you're listing their names. Come out to be a man. Be a man, state it facts. State it clear. I cannot do it. I got me weapon. I got me tea. I got me weapon. So I want to come tiga because soon the election and come to no way shop. On a talk and ban so boom madate in anima to ashinime. I no go lie. Ashamin bagama to ashe. So I went up because gonna Jpac in a decent manner. And when about you list your legenda, you let the world know. You came there where come kuru. So I don't know why you to eat tiga. So you just come to ashe. Enthusiasm at the end of the end. Ya will say no get in Ampurejoku. No. I'm not like that oh. Me didn't after all Jpac buputen namu. Why didn't Jpac buput other people didn't? Why didn't Jpac buput my mother that is alive? Why bring him the dead father of mine? So anything he's used to them. So maybe that was why. It's up to you. Your own logical explanation has nothing to do with the truth I spoke. I will maintain, I will stand on my truth. So it's not gonna work. Be a man. As he normally come out and say that Ndanambra na agwogwu ego. Na Ndanambra with the most ritualist. You can also be a man and voice it out. Collect the 500 as you have collected it and say the truth. Don't put words in my mouth. I am too big for 500,000 to buy me. I am too big for common 500,000 to buy me. I am too big.
Because the block is still alive.
Yeah.
Or Gazenko, or Seaman Global, or Bishop Ozobo.
Why do you want me to call their names? Why are you even mentioning their names in this? Why did you choose these particular names? Because I'm in the Jpac and why did you choose these particular names? And when I hear no, that I'm not aware. And when any particular thing in that you chose these few names to be calling. Because man up, honey. Man up, puta. Boya. I don't know why you guys want to put words in my mouth. Una logical own brain. Besiti mo kunono. Hey, in an akwaro. So you want me to come and start lying before you guys will believe what I said? Let me tell you, I am wiser than all of you. As you have listed their names, now you list their names, so no be me, I don't mention anybody. Now you they list their names. So every other one you're listing, maybe come out and tell the world. Don't rally around me. No. Don't use me, Biri. Puta as a man, truth will come out. Guys, say, Hona, Ogechi na ha reputacha many times. Ogechi na ha reputacha many times. Okay, many more will come out. Make we dey hear.
That was Jpac. Oburundi Ugoramu, Kaoji Ogechi Ndagani may accuse. And some of you are there believing her. Now say, yes, you are right.
Why would I call people that I did not hear their names? Does it matter the logic you want to play in the truth I told? It doesn't matter. You cannot play this logic. You cannot you cannot separate both of them. After all, we make an accused. You did not separate both the dead and the living. You added everybody. A body lost son. When you were fighting, you even added to our forefathers. That means that is what you know. What I am telling you is what they told me. So each one can add their things that I know nothing. Oh no, but justice. Now this time you go get justice. Is that what you guys want me to do? No. Come on now. You can't do that. I have known Bibioko for long. I didn't hear anything like that. I have known Bishop Ozobro. I didn't hear anything like that. So why do you want me to add their name? Oh, now I remember why Jpac put Jpota. She that I could have called Bishop Ozobro. That bishop is whiter and whiter than snow. I thought you guys have been warned to keep this man name out of your mouth. Why are you guys bringing him? So this is all what 500,000 can do in your life to come and told the cheap rubbish analysis. Thank God that your comment section finished you. I was reading comment. I was impressed. When I was reading comment, I was so impressed. They really finished your stupidity because you're a hopeless thing. They know you are paid. They know you are paid. They know you are paid. How many that money we will discuss of that day? How many collect because you came from a very poor thing like you. Anything can go for you. Look at the demon. Listen to him. Jpac denied that Owuhunyawa released the information on Ebony lost son no planning. Bageji destroy your daddy. You want to go? Oh, deny that Owuhunyawa. Now, look at the screenshot who released the information. Your Jpac number. Watch it. Leia. Here are the screenshots. Oh, yeah, release the information. Watch it. Ndoshin and Dama. I could deny it now. Who won't give one the voice notes? The body screenshot where the voice notes were leaked. Information need name but the less on one. I screen recorded it. Watch. There. Watch it. When I bet you send there the voice. Screen recorded it. He sent it from you. Even Makonyo Obodo, I released information on your Obodo. Information on your Obodo. He was the one releasing it. Onyeshuna Nina Wire about Onyo Obodo lost son information. Sorry, Obodo Amuless man. Oh yeah, that's why I screen recorded everything. Obodo number. Oh yeah, was there and yo. Obodo number, voice notes. Jpac was the one releasing everything without anybody asking him anything. I'm searching for it. Wait. He lives in Udoka Street. Awaka. Anyway, hold on. Come turn on my camera upside down. Watch. Watch this screenshot. There. Jpac. Watch it. A portion of now information all release. Watch. Now watch here. Pay close attention. Look what about the lost information. Yeah, one number yo. A portion na mother na where naturally use ya. Okay. When I hear both send the number or only obodo, I knew that he lives in our again Awada. Okay. Angie screen record lawyer because he came out and said Nando actually use here. That Ndoka wanted to use him. Queen Ebo send the voice note to Onya. Nando actually use here. Nando actually used here while he was the one who screen record there came matter how he was sending the information. How can somebody be lying from the deepest heart of his wasted life? Because you do hate Ogechi. Fuck all of you. You guys cannot change my truth. I want somebody to push over anyhow. You can't push me over. I'm too strong for any fox to move. Lie. And when you got information for you just cause. Guys, Jpac Obaroso. I ask people saying, Maranya gana ekweku, nkana nkade konye usoro nazo. No na Dubai, no na one room. Diko onye akuru, ewere mpuku ya nazo. Or this cheap commercial sign, 100,000 content creators. Nkade ka mpuku akuru ya nazo, mebe ona koyeri. Know who you make friends with. Jpac was not a friend. He was never a friend. Ewere lulu. My grandfather na torum when he was alive. Oshigi. Onye no gibela gina ebejie. Na gime hima himega. Because also onwere ike igbe ga nshi na akagba gi ya. Na gina heri kodilari because onwere ike igba nshi na aka. Did you hear what I said? Jpac was one of the pillars of fools that destroyed my reputation. With the lies. And yaputa tomorrow. Muna yebeje for what? Onye menwe him mere ya. Oshigo onye irogi. Imana that we him in mad. Mejiela. Because okay anzoro. No one ke ban shinaka. Get to chaga ya ko eriga diri agbo elage ya gerie. Na get very careful. Na pawobi onye ola pake. I was very careful to deal with a man in a man and a man and a do one secret now. So all of you saying, now who you make friends with, he was never my friend. No friend on the content creator, CBA. My ogaburi, my what na why ojapore. He was only in there because Monaco de Nama. He noticed that Monaco de Nama, but they were close to me. He believed that Monaco de Nama. That is why you alone need to so all of you now family, friends betray family. Ta! Friends betray friends. Ta! What is the definition of friends? I cannot keep only secrets that will sell others to buy others. How many people will sell and buy their favor? He is never a friend. He just saw me. He's an associate on social media. He's never my friend. He will never be. Or who my friend and he will never be. Differentiate friends and associates. Adam, do you know why people never propaganda about me? Because nobody got Ogechi anything about me. They're more smarter than what you expected. Because I'm that all these people are demons. Call anybody your friends, dip your hole. Call anybody your friend. When he came close to me, I noticed that this guy has no secret. I have the record. And the record. Mambogara nanka Akwa. Obuwana shawo hakaya gadia. Everywhere ma this nkita bola. Oh ya chere mpamo yanaka. Ya mere mji mata na ona agu na agu ya. Let him everything I said swear with that abarishi be alola gok. Everything I'm saying, say everything I accuse you nanka agu nkita bola. Nanke keza nanke chinedu na others. Zunko bui iwu hani nesha be alola gok. See, I stand in anything. But can they send the their boyfriend? I was very clever when I was dealing with you. Even Ezio Yemunona, Ebi Shipota, Boromo, Oge. Be very careful with it. Now more labia and hana pishi phone ya pishono and onyola and anywhere fine. That if I share, you don't need to tell me. That is what I was even trying to tell you. I'm coming keep about baby oko. It can be the other side. Do you want me to scatter that side? Jpac ko kamona gitero ito. It can be done and take koroma about baby oko. Okay. It will come very soon. Monage, hey. Don't let go about anybody. I'm coming. I'm going to fight Monage got be very long. Ibaba put my dad in way home. And you felt that Ogechi, I will trust you. I don't know what you call me. Before you start one naira, Ibidramozo, maybe investment. Now, let's listen to that Ebony lost son voice note. What he can do for money. What he can do for cloud chasing to click and pay. What he can do to get a reaction. Ogechi is not getting and trying to use it to get reaction. Let's listen to your voice. What you can do just to get a reaction. That reaction that giving you pain now that I'm getting. That whenever you get it, Akwa go bogaga 05 for life for one. Without that reaction, he got the chicken, he got the granite. Let's hear your voice. Let's hear how demonic you are.
Jpac, here we hang out my life. Oh, hang it.
Okay. You want to go? No.
room. Say for them on the bed. Said they do chat to Ella. Said they do chat to Ella. Ella where line. Said they do chat to Ella. Ella where. Every work ahead around the room. Say for them on the bed. Said they do chat to Ella. Said they do chat to Ella. Ella where line. Said they do chat to Ella. Ella where.
You see, this is exactly how Jpac will come to your inbox and give you information. He sent picture here, send it to you for you to use it to come and saga for him. This is how he does things. Jpac because where are you this one? No kwagi sendiga. Because the mind jagwagi him kechi. So tomorrow, in I mean everything. I will get one again we in everything. That is what you should do. In everything. You want to go in a told day gabia? They use on the modify. Adam tools when you are doing this, did I respond to you? My fighting when the time. I fight when I gather my information. So I will not be weak when I'm fighting. So that I will not be weak when I'm fighting. And I'm throughout the year. So I am don't go goma kwado. And I'm good there for years. And I'm not bag today. I say, I'm going to get on 1 month to know. No. And I'm too low to that I when I get out Gaia. And she's okay, because Oswolano. What I go? So this is how you go and manipulate people. Ibechaga go. Mandeki voice note. Mandeki kureko. What I go? Iam reply again. Mbe berabia banyi ne body song. Mashige potaka yaro no program. So wani na no ya. That the guy just put up ya balaga. Yeah, my voice I left for you. Get my voice into.
Jpac, yeah, we hang out my life. Oh, I get ye. I don't know program. I show I get the card. So, what I'm doing many. I book on the man of people are back or down on here. You can't just say, give me a guy bosses. So, just man announce. So, I get play live program. I get play live video. Let be a on so person. A bona plan and able to be a rape mother. We are not just he gave man house. People are back or they get the thing. Lose your cat a bully.
Henoria Jpac bebagwanye. Send dear Bonnie lost son voice. No, I just see a queer babu. She amba. Away got just to quote babu. Nigga, what people need get a card. Oh, on them mother. People are being na lekwa o na enwere video na enwere voice ebe ode do ta kwuru ihe ebe this Bonnie lost son kwuru ihe ya conversation anyị nwere share. This is how we are going to make people to know that ihe ka Ebony son planning. This was exactly what I left for Jpac. This was exactly my response to that Ebony lost son information. Mboshi ya puta just black wo few yala wo amakwana mnonya na play double face. Owo na mamaro don play double face. But achoro mshi ihe ono na eme ya na azo nwe ya half ma na put ya full. So he will claim and be responsible for every action. You cannot just buy and say I just say black wo ya gaba ka happen mata na oge wa release the information. Mashi yamba. That is not how we gonna run this. That you are going to come out and state it, and young what people now get a card and I want information. This was when he brought Ebony lost useless son information. How we are going to execute that plan. So people need na. So my greatest annoyance, well, how can Amma do on her potana? She's in Owani na false ya. Well, he was the one that was bringing all the details to us. And also, Mpamo people for years. Abahare be me ya be manipulate people go bian o be we be bono. So anybody now call him na ikochaga labuo Ikocha, you go in. I don't care. So, Jpac, get a body lost son. You guys are useless. And what honey ga gbamu? Nampo monya or ha because of other one, because of other dent. That one on my business. Una la ideology to explain what I said is now is not left for you. You want to go? Ekwela mokumu. Onye choyashi from this side. Ya watanke ya. Onye choyashi from this side. Ya watanke ya. Onye choyashi from the other corner. Ya my talk will still remain. That truth kam ga na-ekwu. So each talk am add and didn't do you want to add the aha. Again, what dispression when you do what I was told is what I said. Because there were many more things that are coming out. So Jpac, I've taken your challenge. Return fast. Let's start the challenge. And also include everything that I told you. Makechi. On that note, guys, I will see you guys later. And why would we pay him money for the information? So he's too cheap for anybody to hire him, to be telling him to be useless in himself. So you're not telling us that another people are also paying Jpac to be useless in himself. You want to go? We will be glad to hear about the side of the baby. Okay, oh, is that why you guys want me to include them? Oh, I am no talk and may include Chineka Bola no oko. Chineka Bola no oko. Thunder fire lunu. So Jpac is useless. For me, for somebody to buy him, you be the washi. Eh? So, like I was saying, is he useless that anybody can pay him to be ranting? Every information, and a bit of a voice note. A bit of a voice note. Jpac said the Lord. He said the Lord. Oh, yeah, I will put the address. Oh, I'm just mayor this ice cream shot. This recorder. Oh, yeah, I will put the address on nobody. Oh, yeah, want any information. Oh, yeah, want I ginger everybody. More information are coming. More information are coming. Here just the beginning. Now, a bonny lost son, listen to your voice.
All next month to Jpac, my cause a problem. My potassium, yes, now Ebuko being with on your abortion. The Mark my cause of commotion, my potassium Ebuko be, and then Jpac be a hand plan or ya. Or me one girl abortion. They're gonna cheat them more than one or more. She achieve that female or more. I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because I'm like the video go well. So next month and next month.
I need you. A hopeless son. A hopeless, useless, a body lost son. Now, actually, you are listening to me. Now, a body lost son. You see how dangerous you are. You see what you can do. You should not get 50 million naira. You see how desperate you are. You see what you can do to make money. How can people sit down and listen to a beast like you? How can people sit down and listen to a demon like you? Just to make money. Just to make ends meet. That Uncle ha I be. A demon like you all. That cover arrow. And when we get arrow, that idiot I contain moon. Toga puta conde be pretend because so young president na content creating is people. Look at what you dream to deal with another person. Look at you. You that take question now a demon like you. A desperate demon.
Next month to Jpac, my cause a problem. My potassium, yes, now Ebuko being with
come on, get that from
abortion.
Okay.
My cause of commotion, my potassium Ebuko be, and then Jpac be a hand plan or ya.
Okay.
For me, one girl abortion.
Okay.
They cheat more than one or more. She achieve up that female or more. I will make sure that I cash like 50 million. The video go.
You will make sure that you cash like 50 million. Now, the video got viral. Just to destroy your fellow human being. Just to destroy your fellow human being. Oh my God, that is a low down. I carry you no kako. That man actually won sobu. When they got warriors like me, like people who will be destroy people like you. Oh my gosh, happen. If daddy is like us, by this time he carry nekume. And when that's your open brother, waiting for to hang again. Because he met a lot so. He met a lot so. You are a demon and a lion and a leggy. That is who you are. You are Musu. Amusu kewo. I don't even know how people will imagine to associate with you. Come on, 500,000. Jpac. See, you will make money on people's pain. You will make money on the lies you told. You will make money on lying against people. Reaction. Imagine if your page is not getting reaction. Because that is where your ends come from. If you come on my page, every time reaction. Because you're desperate. You are a hungry lion. You're looking for who to devour. A demon. What? Look at your life. Imagine and the bad one. No, people like you that destroy their names. Imagine he sit down just because of money. Imagine what you thought about others. You that is dirty. You that is wasted spiritually and physical. Amusu. What are you teaching to those things? What are you teaching them? To be useless like you? To not to say the truth, they can put up anything just to damage someone's life. I remember in a park. I say when they make a commercial for Zolobitas, for Kololobitas. When they make a commercial for Kololobitas, get destroy Uncle. So the same demon like you that came out and tell us that Zolobitas and Emerani bitas na bitas ne believer. The same demon like you can sign it. Go war ambassador of bitters. The same you. The same evil like you. The same amusu like you. The same demon like you. Listen to Ogechi. Oh, he has shown in a tro. I don't know why daddy kept quiet. But trust me. Trust me. Ukogi geju. Chimapa ne unye ga soge. Chimapa onyo la metore bukobi. Nwoko nye ga so ya na ebukobi. Chimapa ne unye nde ga soge. Joe Dela. Udela when a mother, but those people couldn't talk when connection bisara kanishi. I'm warning you, but you know they hear. I'm warning you. Okay. Akpagi. Ooh. Yapa mudelo when connection, yes, he tried. Obalere. But akaka. Imanga connection get put can kindozo bidro. Akaka kuru oku. E put where to an end. Akaka. No believe in when they want police gas okay. I just pity you they go. I just pity your demonic lifestyle they go. Amusu. Then you chill money, Peggy. Look at what you chill money just to make money. By the next month, like why he plan again? Jpac, but the one by Jpac, my reply to Jpac. Listen and listen very attentively.
Jpac, here we hang our life. All hang ye. No program. I show Kage card so Wagano in many. About condemn people about here. You can't just say give me a guy bosses so just man announce so I get play live program, I get play live video. Let be a GJ on so person. A bona plan and they could be a mother. We are just he came announce people are back on their game the thing. Lose a bully.
And my reply when Jpac brought this in. And my reply when Jpac brought these demonic acts. You know all of you. You know all of you that ihe Ogechi na-ewe iwe. You know all of you that ihe Ogechi unu ga anwụ ike because of my matter. You know all of you. You demons. You demons. Unu ga anwụ for Ogechi matter. Unu ga anwụ for my matter. Mmadụ lere anya nọrọ form this kind of a thing and he supported it. No way egbu. But all we know put a brutal propaganda without Jpac releasing it. All of you will believe it. Now wow, Ebuka Obi. Now wow, Ebuka Obi. Now wow. But none of you were able to sit on your platform to condemn it. Unaga bonya mahakwe. Unaga bonya kiti yangu ebe e destroy ga. Somebody like that the banket. Unakwana group hao no voice banket. But because of Jpac pochogeba genye ego. Ebe genye 1 naira na 2 naira. Ya babunya the information. Who forced Jpac to bring it out? I'm going to my reply. For those of you that say, hey, nama hakpe. Now, you know, be that idiot who brought it out. Oh, Jpac, ebo chogego. Ebo chogene genya 1 naira. Ebo chogene genya 2 naira. He brought this dangerous, demonic, evil, ebony song. He brought it out.
Jpac. Cause a problem. But I say yes now. Ebuka Obi nwere onye mega abortion.
Okay.
And
we don't know you because you were a demon. Because you were a demon. You can do undo. Come on, 500,000 Jpac in the Giki Jabana Ayon. How can somebody who is this demonic, who is this evil personified, get put people and they gigi? With 3 months. Come on, go and hide your bleaching face. Come on, go and hide your demonic face. Chineka Bunu Ninoko.
Next month to Jpac. Cause a problem. But I say yes now. Ebuka Obi nwere onye mega abortion.
That means everything you guys have been saying about Ebuka Obi has been lies. That means all the lies you guys have been telling about Ebuka Obi are all lies. And when you group form that has proven that all the things you guys have been saying about Ebuka Obi are all lies. That means all these people should not support Ebuka Obi that cannot stand with their mouth and defend it. Just now, Ebuka Obi now about views. Just see video they cannot come out and put up a show like all these idiots. My page. They cannot. You counter it. But you know no here to make sure that all these lies are being debunked. None of you know I'm Isaiah and I told the now about views. But because of Ogechi is here to pieces yell at these people how demonic they are. Now I become the target. And I don't care. As far as I Ebuka Obi can defend it. After all, Jesus, after all, people because of Jesus, because of their follower. If I die because of Ebuka Obi, it's not a bad thing. So deal with it. I don't betray, I don't snitch, I'm not Jpac. You can't buy me with 1 naira. You're not there place, yes, because I did not allow all of you to destroy an innocent man. A man just because of one useless belief. Just because of one useless, manipulated, evil belief. That people like this useless lost to bleaching a bunny song. A very damaging thing against an innocent man. It's a lie, you. For different reasons. Maybe this is my calling. And that is why I am here to state the truth. To state the truth.
I will make sure that I catch like 50 million. Because the video will go well. So next month and next month. So about
all because of you had easy. Idiot could not carry his propaganda anymore. Jpac, where? You brought a lot of things we didn't know. On that note, I will see you some other time. Let me go and get things ready. Bye for now.